When I get stressed out, I like to return to nature, to this spot right here. This is a very special. No, wait, this ain't the tree. There's a tree over here. All right, yep, found it. Here it is. Me and this tree right. No, that ain't. No, that ain't it. Oh yeah, hot dog. This is that. That's not the goddamn. All right, well maybe if I just get back. Wait. Where the fuck's the trail? Where's the trail? Wait, hold on. Hold on. Wait, no. Hello? Hello? Have anybody seen the trail? Is the trail here? Ow, damn it, there's a thorn. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck shit. Why are the woods so fucking confusing? Where there's no signs? There's no signs. You're telling me there are absolutely no signs. This is fucking bullshit. The sun. I'll follow the sun. Yes. I swear to God, if I get poison ivy, if I get poison ivy because of you, I fucking kill you. Don't want poison ivy. How's a snake nose a stick? Oh, fuck you, you bitch. God, just fucking kill me right now. Just fucking kill me. I don't want to do this anymore. I want my truck. I want my Miata. I just want to see it in my car. I never met Kid Rock. It's probably my biggest regret in life. And if you find me dead, know that I definitely had shit in my pants after I was dead. Not as I was dying. I didn't shit my pants as I was dying. I was looking for the tree. Oh, good. Oh, thank God. Someone called the fire ambulance. All right, they're coming for me. Okay, I'm in here. Please.